Hi, today I'll show how to find long tail and short tail keyword research for your making content. And I saw most of the clients, they are using short tail keyword research for their making content, like their website is new. This is the wrong way. Today I will fully explain and fully discuss how to choose the proper keyword, and I will follow the some metrics. For instance, I am choose this keyword, what benefits of black seed oil. This is my main keyword, or you can call it seed or root keyword. Now I find keyword research. I am click the Google search bar. After Google I show some keyword. I am select all this keyword like black seed oil side effect. This is my relevant keyword, black seed oil side effect technique, and how to apply black seed oil on face, how to use black seed oil. This is my related keyword. I am all keywords select, then copy and go to the sheet. Okay, I am enter all keyword. Now I go to the again Google, then scroll down. Then here is show the PA. PA means people search. This area give me the question type of keyword. Now I copy all the keyword, then go to the sheet. Okay, actually just I am showing how to find keyword research using Google freely, not use paid tool, but I am following classes. I am using paid tool like SEMrush. And now I go to the AnswerThePublic. Actually AnswerThePublic, they are provide question type of keyword. And now enter my keyword. Okay, using country, click search. Okay, now AnswerThePublic give me the question like 25 questions. AnswerThePublic give me. Now I click show more, then AnswerThePublic give me the lots of questions. Now I go to the list option, then you can properly understand. Now you are copy all keyword, then go to the sheet, then copy, add the whole keyword. And now I add the volume. Actually what is volume, like this keyword. For example, this is my keyword. What are the benefits of black seed oil? How many people are search this keyword called volume? Like 50 people are search this keyword. We are called the 50 volume. Now I go to the this website. This is a free provide keyword. Okay, enter my keyword, then select language, click submit. After this website are give me the suggestion, like my keyword volume is 12,100. that is enough, and our keyword difficulty is 56. We are following classes describe what is keyword difficulty, how to work. Just I am show the describe what is volume. This is our volume, like 12,100 people are search this keyword. That's why this here is show the 12,100 volume. Okay, I hope everyone is understand how to find keyword research using Google, using PA. PA means people also ask using AnswerThePublic. AnswerThePublic basically provide the question types of keyword. And I am always proper choose the long tail keyword research. The main reason is when your website is new, not builded the authority, then you can choose the long tail keyword research. Then you can easily rank in Google, because Google is still around when you are choose long tail keyword research. After that you are quickly rank in Google SERP. Like for example, best phone 2025. This is the short tail keyword research. I again search like best phone 2025 under $150. Then enter. This is the long tail keyword keyword. I hope everyone is understand which is the long tail and which is the short tail keyword research. And following classes I am discussing what is keyword intent, then what is DA, PA, then what is KD means keyword difficulty. Thank you so much. I hope everyone is understand how to find keyword research in using Google.